Now here's the chart of silver. Silver is trailing gold. Gold is leading the way. Silver is finding it difficult to act impulsively on the bullish side, but nevertheless it is, if I can use this term, it's being dragged. It's being dragged to the upside, and this is the daily scale, and I see really a potential now for silver to go to 1550 and potentially higher. Okay, I think we did see an important bottom in the euro, in the Australian dollar. We have seen an important top in the dollar index. When I say important, I have a time scale of about 2-3 months. Okay, so I really think that we are now entering a movement that could last for several months in gold and silver, and we could see silver going back potentially to 16 and a half. What I cannot tell you with a high degree of confidence, or let's say with the same degree of confidence as to the pattern I've just described, is whether silver is going to do this. No, I'm actually not very sure that silver is going down. No, I cannot say that. What I can say, I see a good potential for silver going perhaps to the roof that we have here. Do you see it around 17 and a half? And whether it manages to run above that or not, we will have to wait and see. But this is already a pretty big projection for a movement that could last for several months. Okay, so that much I'm comfortable with. And I'm going to show you the 60 minutes, and this is the rebound, very sharp, as you can see, very sharp swing up, and this could easily be termed as 1-2 up, third wave, or a C. Okay, it is quite possible that as we continue with the advance, we may have to come back and in fact consider this as a failure, this spot. Failure in the sense of not having managed to take the bottom here, to descend under this low. I don't think so, but it's something that could happen. I'm feeling more comfortable treating this as a first impulse leg, corrective, and then resumption of the impulsiveness, yes, on the upside, that is likely to lead to further highs. Now here's the chart of gold, and that's the weekly scale, and gold could be now in the process of delivering an important ABC that could perhaps form the final leg in a very complex B. Remember, we're looking at the weekly scale. So we have, for example, an option here, and again, it's not written in stone. It's not, how can I say, it's not a pattern that's got the highest probability. It is a pattern that is possible. There are several patterns that are possible here. It is not prudent to fix your mind on only one pattern. No, otherwise you're going to be blind to the rest of the possibilities, to the other options that could be forming. It's important to keep an open mind, but what I can say with a fairly high degree of confidence that I think we have now launched yes, into a movement that could carry gold potentially towards 1,300, perhaps even higher. And I think that this movement is going to relate to what you see here, okay, to all of that. It is going to be a movement that could easily be taken as part of an A, B, C, D. That'll be the E leg. You're with me? We are in a big B. Ever since it touched bottom here in late 2015, the entire advance here could be taken as a B leg, which later on could lead to a catastrophic collapse in gold in the shape of a massive C. Now again, I don't want to sound like this is written in stone. No, it's a possibility that we have to be fully aware. Obviously, when you look at this pattern, you have to acknowledge the other side of the coin, the possibility that we are forming a massive inverse head and shoulders here, yes, with a neckline running in the move line that I've got here, and that could create, of course, that would present the launching pad for a massive run in gold. We're going to take it step by step. Right now we have formed the bottom here, in my opinion, that will serve as a strong reference point, and we will see now gold continuing higher. So that's the weekly. Let's jump to the daily. And very recently we have seen some sharp reversal here in gold on Friday. The descent right from the top here is taken as an ABC, okay, and I consider this to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete. And now I'm going to jump to the 60 minutes, and you're going to see the pretty robust reversal here. So gold, as far as I'm concerned, delivered a 1-2 or 1-2 here. It's not going to make a huge difference here, but this is definitely impulsive, and it does have the look of a third wave. Okay, the third wave that implies further advance. We can see here on the very, very short term that's probably a fourth wave. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes, and you can see here that seems to me like it's a consolidation after this huge jump, consolidation that almost certainly will lead to higher grounds.